Hope you are doing well today. I'd like to talk about missing entries and about yesterday's price action. So yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, we see that Tuesday left these relative equal highs right here. In my opinion, I think it was hardly manipulated because we have swept the sell side and we quickly went up to sweep these relative equal highs, and then we left these intact. And then yesterday we had a huge opening down, which made, I think, everyone believe that it could even break down as low as here, but it didn't. Let's get into lower time frames. First of all, we can see that the market had a higher opening range gap, which didn't even get touched. It quickly opened down. Like I said previously, the market just kept on falling, and then it fell to the current new week opening gap. It also swept these lows and these lows, but it left the lowest low untouched. I'd like to shortly talk about my strategy and how it works. First of all, I locate the relative equal highs like here and lows, just basic liquidity. After, I wait for the market to open and look how the first 30 minutes are painting, and if it sweeps any of the relative equal highs or relative equal lows. The moment it sweeps it, I count that as Judas swing, and I trade the opposite direction. So now that you know my strategy, I'd like to show my missed entry, which I told I was going to talk about. So wait a moment, I will put some lipstick on this chart and we will see it. So here's the entry that I missed. I want to shortly talk about what happened here to know you would know why I should have entered here. Like my strategy states, we have a Judas swing which swept many lows, that means sweat liquidity, and then we have a bullish breaker. This is the low, or even here, this is the low, this is the high, low, and right here we have the bullish breaker. Yeah, we see that we have reaction from it, and we have this fair value gap which made the price go up into inverse fair value gap, which I use to enter in my strategy. Right here we see the candle close above the 50% level. As soon as it retraces down, that is when I enter. So once again, like I said in the previous video, I want to teach myself to aim for low-hanging fruits for consistency. So this 50% fair value gap level will be a perfect take profit. And even though the price does go higher later, it even takes this high out, but I wouldn't care because I would already had made a profitable trade. So another point I'd like to talk about in this video is to show where I wanted to enter afterwards. So let me fix the chart up real quick. So as I was watching the price yesterday, I saw that I should have entered here, but I didn't. So of course emotions kicked in. So I was looking where could I enter, and I think this fair value gap middle point is a great place to enter. But that's not me talking, that was my emotions. And it was, as we can see, if I would have entered, my stop loss would have been hit pretty easily. And this loss would be very hurtful because I think it just a few ticks away from take profit, it would have hit my stop loss. But I didn't enter. I controlled my emotions. Like, I fixed my problem. Haven't fixed it. I think I'm just on the way to fixing it. So I didn't break any rules yesterday, and I'm very happy for that. Another point I'd like to talk about are just rules and how happy I am to have followed my rules. Although I didn't trust my strategy here, I didn't break my rule here. So I took control over my emotions and I said, it's too late, just let it go. So yeah, that's what happened. Overall price action yesterday was pretty well. If we're talking about my strategy, I think, like I said, it works like 70% of the time. This means if I would trust it, I would make a lot more profitable trades than I am until now. So yeah, we'll see how today's trading goes. I think that will be all for today. Have a nice day, and like IC says, stay safe.